Hi friend, my name is Marci and in this video I am going to show you how to make this pretty simple snail mail art. You're gonna need some sort of decorative paper. I made this pattern paper using coffee and mixed media papers. Then I just scanned them and printed them out. I am going to put a link down below because you can also download them and use them yourself if you are going to use them for personal use. If you decide to sell the items you are using them for, then you gotta give me just credit for them. And I just picked 4 different ones, cut it circles out of them, and folded each circle by hand, just eyeballed it, and then you assemble them sort of like a little taco. You go big, then smaller, and so on. Once you have sort of like the rainbow shape, you're gonna bring out your little cutouts that you have, and in this case, this is going to my best friend. So I just wrote down reasons why I love her and why she's my best friend, actually. So you can pause them and read them if you like, but I wrote stuff like, you make the best pancakes, you're my run to my Harry, and just stuff that I appreciate her for and that I love her for, and that's why she's my best friend. So I hope this can cheer her up now that we're all locked in our houses, but you can just write whatever you want depending on who you're sending this to. So now I'm just gonna finish writing my little messages for my friend, and if you like this video, guys, subscribe. This just helps me grow and reach more people to teach them all my crafty tricks and tips tips and tricks. Hit the bell so that you don't miss any new videos. Anyhow, now this is really fun. It's just easy. Just staple it and add a little dab of glue so that we're gonna hide that stapler with the little teeny tiny circle, and you are done with this. Now you can just tuck your little messages in there so that the color in the background pops a little bit more. So just arrange them how you like. I can't seem to make up my mind for this, so it's kind of funny, but I took kind of like forever to do this just because you know, I guess I'm becoming a perfectionist sometimes, and I don't like that because I like playing and having fun with my stuff. Anyhow, I'll link everything down below, like the what papers I used and all of that. Now we're gonna move on to the envelope. This is just a normal envelope that I picked, and now I want that middle circle to be where I write my address. So I'm just gonna glue it like this and make sure I have tape all around it, and then I'm just gonna cut the excess paper out, and this is gonna be finishing my super easy envelope. And I just add some more cutouts to the outside to make it pop a little bit more and make it a little bit more fun, and then I'm done. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. Just hit the like little button, the little thumbs up, and I'll make sure to make more for you. If I get a lot of likes, that means that you want me to make some more content like this. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you'll brighten somebody's day with one of these. Bye guys!